Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp, one of the most powerful ways to visualize your project timeline, track deadlines, and manage task dependencies all in one place. If this sounds like something your team needs, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Before we dive in, it's worth knowing what a Gantt chart actually gives you inside ClickUp. You get a visual timeline of every task in your project laid out across a calendar view. You can see which tasks overlap, which ones are blocking others, and whether your schedule is realistic, all at a glance. It's particularly useful when you're juggling multiple team members or tight deadlines. The first thing you need to do is log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or the last workspace you had open. From there, navigate to the workspace that contains the project you want to work with. ClickUp organizes everything in a hierarchy: workspace at the top, then spaces, then folders, and then lists. So take a moment to open the specific space, folder, or list that holds the tasks you want to visualize. The Gantt view will pull in the tasks from whatever level you apply it to, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Now for the key step, adding the Gantt view itself. At the top of your page, you'll see a row of view options. Look for the plus icon labeled View and click it. A panel will slide open showing all the view types available in ClickUp, and there are quite a few of them. Scroll through until you find Gantt and select it. ClickUp will immediately generate your Gantt chart, mapping your existing tasks onto a timeline based on their start and due dates. Once the view loads, take a moment to explore it. You can zoom the timeline in or out to get a broader or more granular look at your schedule. If your tasks already have dates assigned, they'll appear as horizontal bars spanning the chart. Tasks without dates surface in the sidebar, a helpful reminder of what still needs scheduling. You can even drag those bars to reschedule tasks on the fly, making it fast and intuitive to tweak your plan as priorities shift. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart view in ClickUp. Your project timeline is now visual, flexible, and far easier to manage. Give it a go, and if this tutorial helped, drop a comment below and subscribe for more ClickUp tips.